Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ebony and I post weekly videos on bullet journal, productivity and anything creative in between. In today's video, I'm going to be going over my spring bucket list in my bullet journal. Also, don't forget, if you liked this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. The first item on my bucket list is to read in the sun. I feel like after a long cold winter, having a nice day out in the sun and enjoying a good book sounds absolutely delightful. And the next item is to fly a kite. And as I was drawing this out, and even now as I'm editing, all I can think of is that song from Mary Poppins, but I do think that this would be a really fun activity for spring. And the third item on my spring bucket list is to visit a garden, which if you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, you definitely should, at EbonySDC, I'll put it up on the screen, you would know that I definitely love to hang out at gardens. I just think that they are absolutely gorgeous, so this definitely had to go on my spring bucket list for 2020. The next item on my list is to do some spring cleaning, in particular of my closet. I have been going through and removing items of clothing that I just no longer wear or that don't fit me properly anymore, but I definitely need to go in and organize it. I just don't know how I want to organize it yet, so that's a big thing that I have to get done this spring. Another thing that I would love to do this spring is to have a garden tea party. Probably just on my own, in my own backyard, but still, I love tea and any excuse to try different teas is a good idea to me. The next item is to build a birdhouse. So my husband and I currently feed the birds in our area, and it's really exciting to see all the different types of birds that actually come into our backyard. So I thought it would be a good idea to build a little birdhouse for them if it's raining or if they just want a little area to rest. another fun and relaxing idea is to cloud gaze and to see what shapes we can spot in the clouds. I used to love collecting rocks to paint and decorate as a kid, and I thought that would be really fun to bring back this spring. It's just a fun little DIY project to decorate the backyard or your garden with, so I figured why not? Item on my spring bucket list for 2020 is to build a fairy garden. I absolutely love these. I think they are so gorgeous, and again, since I'm going to be spending more time in my backyard having a tea party and building the birdhouse and painting rocks to decorate it, I thought, why don't I just make a little fairy garden as well? Thank you for watching my spring bucket list for 2020. Don't forget, if you liked this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you!